Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make an envelope with paper. This will be an easy origami tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is what the envelope will look like after. As you can see, it's a very simple envelope, and I like this one because it is so easy to make. Alright, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, you could just use a regular sheet of paper. This is an 8.5 by 11. What you want to do is you want to go to the top, you want to take both corners, you want to fold them inwards just like that. And you're going to make sort of like a triangle at the top. Try and make it as even as possible, but at the end of the day, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a very simple envelope design. Okay, as you can see, we have now made a triangle at the top. Okay, next what you want to do is take the sides, okay, so either side, and you're going to fold them in, including with this crease over here. You're going to fold them in, and it doesn't really matter how much you fold them in. I always like to say it's probably about 1/2 inch, give or take, but you're going to just fold them in as much as you need to fold them in. Just make a little crease, just like that, okay? Next, what you're going to do is take the bottom, okay, and you are going to fold it up, and you want to make it meet somewhere around where this line is. So fold it up, just like this. You want to make it meet somewhere around where the line is. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, this is not meant to be some perfect envelope. This is just an envelope to get the job done. Okay, if you don't have an envelope, you can use something like this. All right, so as you can see right here, we've now folded it. Now we're going to unfold it, and you want to put your note or your letter right over here. So I have another sheet of paper over here. Let's say this was my letter. I would fold it like that. Okay, and I would fold it again. I would take this and we'll fold it one more time just to make sure that it fits perfectly. I would take this letter and I'd put it right there. So I'm going to place it right over there. Okay. Then you're going to fold this up just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get some tape. Okay. And you're going to essentially be taping the sides down because this is already covered. So nothing's going to fall out from there. Now, you can obviously get the tape and you can cut it to make it exactly perfect, but if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I definitely don't care about the small details. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to get some tape, we're going to fold it over, just like that. Okay, and obviously you want to make sure that the tape covers the whole thing. This is obviously myself just doing it quickly, right? But the other envelope that I made, that I showed you right over here, this one was done like with precision. So if you take your time, it's going to look great at the end. Okay, get some tape once again. And you are going to tape it down on the sides, on both sides. This way you can be sure that the letter is not going to go anywhere. Like I said, I should have probably done a better job with this, but you guys know the way I work. We just get it done. So essentially what we have is an envelope in here, and then we have our letter inside of there. You're going to take the top, you're going to fold it down just like that. And this is where it gets cool, okay? Fold it down so you have your envelope. And then you can fold this under just like that. So you can leave it, and if you give it a nice solid crease, it's going to stay like that. If you leave it like that, look at this. Your envelope, it's not sealed, like someone can open it, but check that out. You can open it and then close it like that, right? And if, like I said, if you give it a good crease, it's going to stay, right? You can leave it closed like that. Or if you really want to seal it, you just get a little piece of tape like that, and all you got to do is put a piece of tape over here. So at the end of the day, all of the excess and all of the stuff that doesn't look great is going to be over here, right? And then all of the stuff that looks good is going to be over here, especially if you take your time and you make the tape nice and straight and so forth. And that's basically it. That is essentially how to make an envelope with paper, and this has been an easy origami tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.